Use AI to finally understand your sales data. You've probably got months, maybe years, of sales data sitting in your invoicing software, point-of-sale system, or a spreadsheet. And if you're being honest, you have no idea what it's telling you. That's not because you're not smart. It's because turning raw numbers into useful insight used to require a dedicated analyst or time you don't have. That's changed. AI can now read your sales data and answer plain English questions about it. Here's how. Get your data ready. Export your sales history from wherever it lives. QuickBooks, Shopify, your invoicing app, or a spreadsheet, and download it as a CSV file. You need the date of each sale, what was sold, how much it cost, and ideally a customer name or ID. Clean up any gaps or inconsistent formatting in Google Sheets or Excel first. Messy data produces messy answers. Ask your questions. Tools like ChatGPT, data analysis feature on the $20 per month plus plan, and Claude can read your CSV and answer questions like you're talking to a smart employee. Just upload and ask. Start with basic questions. Which products sold most last quarter? Which month was slowest? Are there customers who stopped buying? What's my average sale amount over time? Which day of the week drives most sales? Here's a concrete example. A landscaping company uploads 18 months of invoices to ChatGPT and learns that lawn maintenance contracts make up 61% of revenue, but one-time cleanups are booked 3 times more often. That's a pricing conversation. That's an upsell opportunity. Go deeper. Beyond basics, AI finds patterns you'd miss alone. Ask it to identify products declining month over month, which products customers buy together, whether order value varies seasonally, or which small customer group drives most revenue. These insights change how you stock inventory, plan promotions, and treat your best customers. A gift shop discovers from 3 years of data that one candle line spikes every October-November but barely sells January-August, and they typically run out in early November. Now they know to order more in September. That simple insight probably saves thousands in lost sales. The honest limitation. AI finds correlations, not causes. If Tuesday sales are 30% lower than other days, AI can't tell you why. Use patterns as starting points for your own thinking, not final answers. The AI surfaces the question. You figure out the answer. Want automation? If manual uploads feel tedious, tools like Zoho Analytics, $30 per month, connects to 50-plus apps. Microsoft Copilot, included with Microsoft 365 Business, and Glue.io for e-commerce, automate the process. They're more powerful, but cost more and need more setup. Start simple first. The real opportunity. You've been making business decisions on gut feel and rough memory for years, and that's gotten you here. But you're sitting on information that could make those decisions sharper, cheaper, and more confident. The data was always there. Now you can finally talk to it.